How's it going, everybody? I'm John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through a 2025 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. The first 16-foot whaler came out in 1961 and weighed almost 500 pounds. Every year they're coming out, they're improving while keeping the same Boston Whaler tradition. Just like the foam build-out throughout the hull of the boat, right behind this beautiful fiberglass. Now, starting at the stern, you have your ski bar up here, great for tubing. That is right above your 90 horsepower Mercury motor. Now, 90 horsepower for a 16-foot boat. It's going to get that on plane fast with a great top speed. You also have your sea ladder right at portside stern as well. Now, further into the stern of this boat, as you can see, you have plenty of room. It's one of my favorite parts of this boat. You can fit tons of people on here if you'd like. You've got your grab rails on starboard side and port side. You also have two matching cleats on starboard and port side. Moving up here, you have this bench. Now, this bench, you have the option to get a long cushioned seat, or you could get two booster seats for captain and co-captain. Underneath the bench, you have your two fuel tanks. And right underneath me, you have your battery. Easy access, great location for it. Now, if you follow me up here, we are now at the helm. In the helm, you have your classic Boston Whaler steering wheel. You've got your gauge right here and RPMs. You've got your on-off switch. You do have a charging port in here as well. Cup holders within arm's reach. You've got your throttle here with a kill switch right next to it. And that is really all you need up here at the helm. It's very simple, very traditional, classic Boston Whaler. You really can't beat it. Now, still in the helm, moving closer to the bow, we do have storage right inside of the console, right up front. Right here, as you see too, we have another cooler. This cooler has plenty of space with a drain as well, so you could use it as a live bait well. Now, this also holds in place really well, so it will not move forward or backwards while the boat is moving. All you have to do is lift it straight up to move it out of the way. Now to the bow, like the stern, you have two grab rails on starboard side and port side. Now, if you lift this up, this platform, by the way, does have the option for a huge bow cushion. In here is your anchor storage, can also double as a cooler. It is foam insulated, keeps things nice and cold for a long time. Up front, you have your bow cleat, tie up the anchor to it, and you've got your nav light right up front as well. Everybody, I hope you learned a lot about the 2025 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. If you have any questions, please call this number below. And like always, my friends, have a great day.